हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम, हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम। जाने मन मोहब्बत की हर कसम की कसम, ना जुदा होंगे हम।
हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम, हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम। जाने मन मोहब्बत की हर कसम की कसम, ना जुदा होंगे हम।
हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम। हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम, हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम। जाने मन मोहब्बत की हर कसम की कसम, ना जुदा होंगे हम।
हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम, हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम। जाने मन मोहब्बत की हर कसम की कसम, ना जुदा होंगे हम।
हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम। ये सुहाने पल ये मुलाकातें हम न भूलेंगे प्यार की बातें। ये सुहाने पल ये मुलाकातें हम न भूलेंगे प्यार की बातें।
दिन है मुश्किल रात भारी, हर घड़ी है बेकरारी, चाहते होते न तुम।
हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम, हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम। जाने मन मोहब्बत की हर कसम की कसम, ना जुदा होंगे हम।
हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम।
I got it, dude.
Great, everyone looks like they're situated. We'll start by introducing ourselves. My name is Ava, and I'm Ava's older sister.
And I'm Sujata, Sheetal's older sister.
We'd like to start just by welcoming everybody. We're just very glad that you can all be here. It's been a wonderful weekend of different events that we've had going, and as you know, my brother quite well, he loves a good party, and so that's what tonight is supposed to be about. We did the ceremony this morning, and we had different things going on, but tonight is really just about good food and good company and good music, and so just to set that tone, because I think that's important for all of us. So now, of course, Sujata and I have known these two since the day they were born. So we have stories. We have many, many stories. And we would just like to say that, you know, these stories, we feel like they're very valuable commodities. And so I think we didn't feel like it would be fair for us really to share them all tonight because, you know, we have stories, for instance, about Abba's awkward stages, and we have stories about his encounters with juvenile delinquency and delirium. And and I actually also feel obligated to expose his very bizarre sense of humor. But thinking about all of that, I think that we decided between us that it wouldn't be fair to do it tonight, not really very appropriate, because we want hundreds of more people here. Hundreds of more people. And so we thought that we would wait until the wedding.
Well, just so you guys know, they are an amazing pair, and Sheetal also does have a bizarre sense of humor. She has eccentric comments that she makes once in a while, but as for juvenile delinquencies, I don't know about that.
Okay, so we have an evening tonight. So we just wanted to let you know that meant that tonight you're not going to hear all the juicy stories, but we'd like you to be there for the wedding where you are going to hear all of those stories and various other things that we're plotting at the moment. So tonight what we have though for you are some speeches, and we have some wonderful dance performances choreographed by our cousins, performed by our cousins, and so wanted to start the evening with a speech by my mother, Dorothy Tucker, and she's going to be welcoming all of you. Thanks.
Well, everybody knows me. So, our hearts filled with love and joy, we welcome you all, our family members and friends, old and new, to this joyous and auspicious occasion of Abhay and Sheetal's engagement celebrations. At the same time, we thank you for sparing your precious time, coming long distances, and working hard to make this event a fun-filled joint venture. So, you must wonder, how did this happen? Abhay is in Atlanta, Sheetal is in Boston. What is this? Well, very simple. The age-old four-letter word, L-O-V-E. When it strikes, it doesn't matter where you are or what time it is or anything. Well, the story goes, Abhay was born with love as a mother I knew the minute I saw my newborn. He has this love twinkle in his eyes. In Gujarati, he lives his life prema lakshana like there is no tomorrow. Abhay is a lover of life. I well, love is the essence of life, isn't it? There is a saying that without love, you might as well be dead. Thus, when he saw Sheetal, he felt different. His feeling was like this. Baby, कोई पल मुझे भाता नहीं सनम कोई पल मुझे भाता नहीं सनम मुझे तुझसे कितना प्यार है मुझे तुझसे कितना प्यार है तेरे प्यार की कसम तेरे बिन कोई पल मुझे भाता नहीं सनम Well, true love never fails. True love never fails. It touched Sheetal's heart instantly, then she also felt. कभी सोचा न था मैंने मुझे हो जाएगा प्यार कभी सोचा न था मैंने मुझे हो जाएगा प्यार दिल दीवाना दीवाने का क्या इतबार क्या इतबार क्या इतबार Well, the story does continue further, but my time is up. You'll all get bored otherwise. And I have to let the program proceed. So more at the wedding. And that's, I will come back. So wait for it.
We're starting to tempt you, aren't we? You're coming to Boston next August. So this next, we thought like before we really could go any further, there was something very, very important that needed to happen in order for all of this to become real. And so the moment that Sheetal has been waiting for a very long time, I'd like to introduce my brother, Abhay.
Out of the way.
One more time for the groom-to-be. All right, so after I finished singing that song that my mom sang right now when I first met her, so Sheetal's, we always get this question, you know, let me see the ring, you know, where's the ring, you know, where's the rock, you know, what's going on, let me see, you know, and I don't know, how is it looking? All right, so you think we should put something on her hand right there, on her finger? All right, so bear with me because I just wrote this yesterday, all right, so, you know. तेरा हाथ हाथ में हो अगर I'll get there. ये सफर ही असली याद है तेरा हाथ हाथ में हो अगर ये सफर ही असली याद है मेरे हर कदम पे है मंजिलें तेरा प्यार घर मेरे साथ है I got more. मेरी बात को मेरी हमनफस तू जवाब दे के न दे मेरी बात को मेरी हमनफस तू जवाब दे के न दे तेरी एक चुप में जो है चुप्पी मेरे हजार बातों की बात है मेरी जिंदगी का हर एक पल तेरे हुस्न से है जुड़ा हुआ मेरी जिंदगी का हर एक पल तेरे हुस्न से है जुड़ा हुआ तेरे होंठ तिरके तो सुबह है तेरे जुल्फ बिखरे तो रात है तेरे हाथ हाथ में होकर ये सफर ये असली हयात है All right, so where's the rock on her ring? That's what we're looking for, right? Okay. This is how we're supposed to do it, right? We're in America? Is this what it is? Alright. With this ring, will you please stop crying and start smiling for this big rock? Oh man, what's going on? It's a rock. What's wrong with that? You didn't want a rock? I thought you wanted a rock. Hold on, I got a call. Wait a minute. I'm sorry. They always say I'm on my cell phone. This is just really ridiculous here. Yeah, man. I thought you brought this. What's going on? Oh, you. Now for the real deal. All right, honor me, and spending the rest of my life with you, and being a friend to my friends, a sister to my sisters, and a daughter to my parents, and many more things. Most importantly, all, honor me in being my wife. Will you marry me? She said yes. She said yes.
We didn't time that well because it's my turn now. It should have been. Suja's not crying. I managed not to cry all morning, but I've never. That was amazing. So luckily I don't have to say much now other than introduce my dad. So I'd like to welcome Ashok Tucker up here to also give his words of welcome to Shiva.
Hi everybody. Before we talk about Abhay, I want to answer an accusation that has been made on me. Somebody accused me that I changed my hairstyle because I wanted to grab the attention. Well, here's the deal. Abhay gave me two choices. He says, Dad, give me a brand new car. I said, well, is that your final answer? And he says, well, or else change your hairstyle. So it was a no-brainer. I said, what the heck? You know, brand new car would be tad more expensive, you know. Now that was a beautiful shairi. He just wrote it yesterday. I mean, isn't it? Let's give him a big hand, guys. I mean, that is fantastic. Now I realize that, you know, there are a lot of youngsters here who don't understand Hindi. Maybe Sheetal didn't even understand. There's one very important line in there. I want to translate that. It says, "तेरी एक चुप में जो है छुपी मेरी हजार बातों की बात है." Roughly translated, that means your silence is an answer to my 1,000 conversations. What a beautiful thought. That's what you say, Abhay, at this moment. That your silence is an answer to my 1,000 conversations. Few years down the road, and I think every man in this room is going to agree with me. The shairi changes a little bit. Instead of saying your silence is an answer to my 1,000 conversations, it changes just a little bit. It says your silence is an answer to my 1,000 prayers. Now, I may be known as a lot of other things, and some of the names I don't even want to repeat, but at least there is one thing. The people that work for me and my children, they agree on, I'm very fair. I'm an equal opportunity offender. As a matter of fact, every time I get angry with Abhay and insult him, I pick up the phone, hunt down Abha wherever she is, get mad at her, insult her, we are even. Nobody can tell me I'm showing favoritism. So now that I have offended practically all the women in this room, I think it behooves me to just offend the rest of the men in this room also. Hey, come on, grow up, guys. So, this is for you, Sheetal, you can take it to the bank. Men are like wine. Men are like wine, they start out as grapes. And only after a woman stops on them, they become fit to be at the dinner table. Well, so much for fun. I wanted to welcome you, Sheetal. Welcome to the Thakur family. And since we had a rather good experience with one daughter, we thought it wouldn't be a bad idea to have another one. And so we welcome you in the family as our daughter. And we also, on behalf of Pati and Abha and the entire Thakur, Pujara, Parikshak family, I want to welcome the Patel family, especially Shashikant Bhai, Indira Ben, and Bharat Bhai, Anila Ben, and Kirit Bhai, Neela Ben, and Shakuntala Ben, and Raghav Bhai, and the rest of the family. I'm sorry, I'm not going to repeat everybody's names, although I know them, and Mangalaba. I would like to welcome you all into our family. So you realize there is one small problem. The letter P is dominating like heck. It all started with the Pujaras, 14, 15 members. We thought we could handle it, any address book can handle it. Then came the Parikshaks. 50 of those. So yeah, we thought, well, talk to Bill Gates, so then I'm going to design an address book for you, we can handle that. Now the Patels, my God. I don't know what's going to happen, but we love you nonetheless, guys. And I also want to welcome all of you, my friends, my family, and everybody. So enjoy, have fun, and that's it. Okay.
Thank you, Ashok Uncle. That was very entertaining. Although I wish a woman would come up here and try to challenge you, but that's okay. We'll leave that for another time. I'd like to welcome my parents to come up, Indira Ben and Shashikant Patel. They also want to say a few words.
Sai, so I'm going to start. I just want to welcome everybody and just say a few stuff. And thanks for coming. And Thank you, Ashok Bhai, Bhartiben. It was a very lovely party this morning. We enjoyed it. And I just want to say thanks to all my families, everybody, all the kids. They worked so hard yesterday, last night and everything. So it was great. I want to say thank you to my extended family from Boston. From Boston. So they treat Sheetal as their daughter. And thank you guys. And Abhay. Welcome you in our family. We treat you as our son. And just want to wish you both very, very happy life. And love each other. And be happy.
ભારતીબેન આ તો દીકરીને ખાલી બતાવવા માટે જ આવ્યા છીએ. દીકરી જોતી હોય તો દીકરાને લઈને હોસ્પિટલમાં આવવું પડશે.
Well, I think I speak on behalf of my parents that we'll be there. All right, well, next up we have another little surprise. I'd like to invite my Ramesh Masa, who's also my Jikaka. Oh, he's right over there. And Jayant Mama. And Jayant is the oldest of 7 brothers in the Parikshak family.
Hello.
They were hiding. All right, we have the props that they need now. So, do you want me to call them?
Here we are presenting some certificates. My name is Jayant Parikshak. I am the eldest in the family. I had an elder sister who passed away, but now I am the eldest. We are presenting the Senior Master Certificate for being the first woman with a master's degree in the Thakur family. This award is presented to Bhati Thakur. Master. It's a teacher, master.
Hello. Before I say anything about Bhartiben, I want to say something about her show. That's why Mujan, he's Thakur. I didn't want any resemblance between his hair and my hair. About 20 years ago, he comes to our house and he said, "Your hair is getting gray." I said, "What? At least by habit it's going to get gray." So anyways, maybe it's a good decision that you won't regret it. Anyways, a little bit more about Bhartiben. We have, as you know, a very large family, 9 Parikshaks who are married have their own families, Pujara family, Thakkar family, and then sisters and brothers-in-law and all that. I can say that without any hesitation, Bhartiben was the first one to get a master's degree in our expanded family, and that was in the days when women just were told, well, you're 16, 17, get married. Once they get married, 6, 8, 10 months and so on, is anything happening here? And so why isn't a baby here? But anyways, education at that time was her passion. She pursued it with all the vigor and energy that she had. So it's about time that I extended congratulations. And continuing on the tradition of getting a master's degree, we have another member of the family who officially joined us about 20 minutes ago at the showcase of Abhay. She is the second one to get a master's degree. So since there are 2 women in our family now with a master's degree, may I have the privilege to call you as part of our family? Since there are 2 women with a master's degree, if I'm leaving anybody out with a master's degree, please forgive me. So anyways, since the senior spot is already taken, it's my privilege to call you a junior master. So please come on over here. I don't know if there's a lesson to be had from all these things. Those girls who are still single and still pursuing their degrees, well, there's still hope. We have some young women in our family with probably 7, 8 bachelor's degrees. Some of them with a double bachelor's degree, and I don't think anybody has dropped out yet. So, well, anyways, congratulations to both of you. There is a third award, which I think is probably the most important of all the joke aside and all that thing. The third award also is something that we have been talking about it for a while, and again, it's combined with passion and vigor and attention to the details, taking care of the family, not only her immediate family, but also the extended family and so forth. So, without too much of a description and botching of the description, I will give it to her.
They have to put a panel of judges to get this award. So now this award is presented for Woman of the Year for your support, organization skill, exceptional artistic abilities, superior financial management, and inexhaustible stamina. Is presented to Bharti Thakkar. You want to say something?
Well, I just ignored her speech, please. I have always taken these awards, so now he wants none. Devendra, he is my little...
If she doesn't want it, I'll take it.
It's mere coincidence that this is happening on the day that Abhay proposed to Sheeta. So because Abhay, you are the second child in Thakkar family here, and we thought it would be appropriate, we've been talking about it, so we finally did. Congratulations to you too.
Well, since I'm paying for this party, I have a right to jump in anytime I want. Well, I want to set the record straight. It is not master, it is master. It is senior master and junior master. So let's get that straight. Now, I want to tell you who have signed this thing, because I think it's very important. Of course, the Thakkars, Pujaras, Parikshaks, Devanis, these are all the family members. I think on 3 continents, okay, 4 continents. Parikshaks, Devanis, Patels, our new family. Advanis, Shades, Lawrences, Ravanis, Raitatas, and Shuklas. Devan and Madhukar are here too, so appreciate it. Thank you very much.
मन डो